Good morning, everyone, little babies. So today I am going shopping for my apartment. I am moving October 1st. So I am going shopping for like mattresses and, well, a mattress. I am actually moving into a studio apartment in the downtown Detroit area. So I am going to be looking for, I believe I have a couch, a love seat that I already want. So it's a studio, and that means it's like one big space for everything. So I'm planning to put my bed and my living area in the same area, but I want separation. So we're going to try to hit some mattress stores and of course IKEA, because there's this TV shelf that I kind of want to put in there. So if you guys would like to come along on this journey, I'm probably going to be vlogging all my shopping involving my apartment, and I'm definitely going to vlog the moving process as well. I don't know if I'm going to give you guys an empty apartment tour, because with it being empty, it's probably going to look like nothing because it's really small. But this is my first apartment outside of college. So after moving back home after college, I have not had my own place yet. So your girl is excited because I am grown AF, okay? And I don't want to be in my people's home anymore, okay? Okay? So I hope you guys are excited for me, because I am definitely excited. I'm going to take you guys along for the ride, and I'm going to make sure that I ask you guys your opinion as well. So don't forget to comment down below and let me know if I bought something that wasn't worth it. You know, I read a lot of reviews before I buy things. But your guys' comments are definitely appreciated as well. So if you guys are interested in seeing me go shop till I drop, keep on watching. Oh, okay. This is what I'm wearing today. So chill little top, my Adidas track pants, little Vans, and then I got my little book bag. So I'm chill, sporty, chill for today. We are, of course, at the infamous IKEA. I am poor, so I am coming here to get like a little shelving TV stand of some sort. What is that? Dragonfly. So yeah, we're at IKEA. Mom wants to eat. We're gonna eat and go shopping. Of course, it's crowded as heck. Okay, Mariah, who made you mad, sis? I'm telling you, I'm going to decorate it really nice. Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I am Tierra, but you can call me TT for short. So, as you guys saw in the previous clips, I am moving out on my own. After college, I believe, I graduated in 2015, so it'll be going on 3 years in December of this year, as to me living with living in my parents' home. I feel like I'm getting a little bit too grown for that. So I decided to find me a studio apartment in the downtown area of Detroit. So that is where I work as well. So I did want to find something closer to my job. So I found something. I signed a lease, and I've been buying things ever since. I do move October 1st, you guys. I move October 1st, and I am really excited. So I've been buying things, and one of the places that I did decide to go was IKEA. IKEA has really affordable items that you can get for your home and things like that. in a one-stop shop. Like, you can literally go in there and get your entire apartment if you chose to do so. I did not do that, but this time I did go and shop for like kitchen utensils and things like that. So I will share with you guys what I got from IKEA. This is definitely going to be an IKEA haul, but it's focusing on my kitchen tools and things like that. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first, of course, what I got was some utensils. I'll definitely need utensils for the kitchen and stuff like that. So I did get the 20-piece Tierra utensil pack. It comes with 4 small spoons, 4 small forks, 4 large spoons, 4 large forks, and 4 butter knives. So that is what I got. I really did like the fact that the shape of the utensils wasn't like a normal shape. It's like a square. So it's different, and I definitely want to go with different for my because I'm designing my own space. Okay, what I didn't like about these is like the smaller spoons and fork look really small. Like the handle is like really small, so I feel like a kid when I'm holding this. So yeah, but I feel like this can just be for like mixing and cooking and stuff like that, and then I can just use like the more adult adult size fork and spoon to actually eat my dinner and stuff like that. So yeah, so next what I got was some of these little containers that have like the little droplet top on it. So this is called the dropper, whatever it's called. I basically got these because they're silver, and that's what I wanted to go for in the theme of my kitchen. There's already black appliances in there. Is a black refrigerator that comes with the apartment. So I want to go with like, excuse me, I want to go with like black, silvers, and like grays kind of in the apartments, and white, not in the apartment but in the kitchen. So I got this, and it's silver, and it has like this frosty grit on it that I really like. I think it's really cute. So basically I was going to use this for like my olive oil and my vinegar and stuff like that. I like things to look the same, so when I buy olive oil or buy vinegar, I don't want it to be in its container that I bought it in. I would rather it look like this, so it can go with the theme of the kitchen, and nothing looks like out of whack. I like things to look matchy. I like things to look like they belong. So yeah, that's why I got this, and it just makes you look like more official when you're cooking and you use one of these. Like, so that's really why I got it. Okay, I did get some of these jars. I like the fact that they were silver as well, and that they matched that. These were not in the same section at all, and these were actually on sale. They had like 3 sizes of these. I only got 2 at the time. I really wish I would have got 3. They were on sale, so I'm pretty sure they're probably gone now. But I got this one, and I got this one. So I'll probably use these for like rice and like pasta and stuff. I'm trying not to eat a lot of pasta. Pasta is like my favorite food, pasta and shrimp. But I'll probably just use this for like pasta and rice, because I do eat a lot of brown rice. So of course I am definitely going to use one of these for rice. But I thought this was really nice because it has like the frosted grit on there as well. It's matching, you know, it's an aesthetic going on, you know. You gotta match. Okay, gotta match. Everything has to look like it belongs. Okay, you got it. You get me? Okay, cool. So yeah, I got these 2 in different sizes. They did have a 3rd size, but of course I did not get that one. For some stupid reason, I did not get that one. But I'm really happy with these purchases here. I'm actually like packing as I go through this, so yeah. Okay, guys. So the next thing that I got were these cups. It's called Godis sounds really cool, so I'm gonna say with Godis. So it comes with like 6 these are 14-ounce glasses. 6 14-ounce glasses. And I bought these glasses because they're not on the extremely large side. Like, they're really just pretty and petite, and they're sleek. Like, you know, fits nicely in your hand. And I really love glass cups. I do not like plastic cups. I just, not to say that there won't be any in my cabinet, because I do like to get cups and t-shirts from different events and stuff like that. But I just like glass more. It looks, it's pleasing to me. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and when it does take up space, you can't really tell that it's taking up space because it's glass and it's see-through, you know. So yes, I got these, and I think they're really pretty and nice and cool. I really just like the base. I like how thick the base is at the bottom. So 6 of these come in here. I'm only one person. I really don't need all these dishes. But of course, when people come over, you kind of need stuff, okay? So the next thing that I got are these coasters. My mom actually got these for me. I got these, only come with 2 coasters in there. These are like, I don't know how to describe this material in there, but I think you guys can kind of see the material. They only came with 2. I only need 2. These are basically just so you don't ruin your furniture, like your coffee table or like your dining little table. That I plan to get like a high table, because I have like high chairs that I want to get. Not high chairs, but bar stools that I want to get for like a sitting area, because I don't always want to eat in my living room, and I don't want people to feel obligated to eat in my living room. So of course, yes, these are to make sure that you don't mess up your table from like the water, or your glasses like sweating from like the drinks and stuff like that. So yeah, I think this was a cool investment, and they were probably like really cheap, knowing IKEA. What else did I get? My mom also got me some wine glasses. I like wine. Dealing with my job, I think my job is like really rewarding, but of course we have like really bad days. So after a long day of work, I would prefer to just crawl up in front of on the couch, crawl up on the couch with some cover, and pour me a glass of wine and probably watch some YouTube or Netflix and be content with life. Okay? And this glass is like really, like, it's a good size. It's not like too small, it's not too big. I can fill this up halfway and be okay for the night. So yeah, I really like the size of these glasses. And yeah, you know, who doesn't want to do that? So I got 2 of those, of course. So the next thing that I got with this like heavy duty spatula, I did not know this thing was this big. It actually looks like something that you'll probably use on a grill if you're like barbecuing and stuff. But I like how big it is, and I like how you know, sturdy, and you know, it seems like it's gonna stay. So yes, I got this, and I also got some tongs. They have like the little plastic rubber, whatever this is, at the top, and then they have like some little things here that makes it easier for you to grab the food when you got it. It's like spikes right here. So yeah, I got this in black and silver as well. As you guys see, there's kind of a theme going on. Okay, so then I got me like a whisk. I don't know when I'm going to use this. I really don't. I don't really bake a lot, like bake cookies and cakes and stuff like that. I could probably use this for like eggs and pancakes. So I made a point to get this wine opener because I don't want to run into that problem when I go and get some wine and I don't have an opener. So that's what I got this for. And then last but definitely not least, oh, this is really, 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 really heavy. So I got some plates. Oh, I got some plates and some bowls. So this is called the Bardera set, and it comes with 18 items. It comes with 6 larger plates. It comes with 6 saucer plates, and then it comes with 6 bowls. I really love like the cut on these plates. It's like a, I don't know how to describe it, but here's the picture. It's like open, but it's not open, but it has rounded edges on it, but it's not really rounded, and it's kind of square, and it's like weird, but it's like really cute. So I got these. Like I said, it comes with 18. I did want white plates. I think it's like so aesthetically pleasing to have white plates. You can always tell if they're clean or not. And the food just looks really appealing on white plates to me. So yeah, that is it for my IKEA haul. I did get one other larger item. I got like a shelf. It's more so going to have like knickknacks in it and some storage space in there. I'm probably going to put like some bins in there and things like that, and it also fits a TV, so whenever I get a TV I can put my TV in that as well. But that is it for this IKEA haul. There will be more hauls because of course I did go shopping in numerous of places to get prepared to move. If you guys would like to see more of those hauls and more of what I got for my first apartment, go ahead and like this video. And if you aren't subscribed and you've made it this far, like, just subscribe, and of course do not forget to hit the notification bell, because if you do not, more than likely my videos will not pop up on your on your subscription feed, and that's not what we want. We want you to be notified when I post a video, and we want you to be notified that I did post a video, that I'm still moving, that I want you guys to be part of this journey, you know? So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Please remember that behind every open and closed door, there's always a new opportunity. So keep grinding, sis, and keep on hustling, and you'll get to where you need to be. I love you guys so much, and please do not forget to follow me on all my social media, which will be linked down below and somewhere here on the screen. Yes, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Hey. Bye guys.